A new Department of Justice memo also warns investigations could begin against state and local governments if they don't comply with updated immigration policies. That includes so-called sanctuary cities. Minneapolis and St. Paul have both approved sanctuary efforts in recent years. Callan Gray joins us, and today's warning could mean trouble with the federal government. Callan.
The memo being widely reported today suggests local and state officials who get in the way of federal immigration efforts could be prosecuted for a conspiracy offense or under a law prohibiting the harboring of people in the country illegally. Experts tell us this is a separation of powers issue that will likely go to the courts.
So help me God.
Days before President Trump's second inauguration.
A lot of folks have reached out to us because they're afraid.
Minneapolis Police Chief Brian O'Hara clarified officers cannot ask about a person's immigration status except in certain cases such as human trafficking.
We've had a practice for more than 2 decades of not engaging in immigration enforcement. So we've given additional clear guidelines around what our values are with this.
Now, the Department of Justice is directing federal prosecutors to investigate state or local officials who they believe are interfering with the Trump administration's immigration policies and consider criminal charges against them. This in a memo obtained by the Associated Press.
Is this threat real?
It sort of depends, and it's kind of complicated.
Julia Decker is the policy director at Immigrant Law Center of Minnesota and says there's a lack of clarity in the DOJ memo and explains each city and state takes a different approach to immigration protections and enforcement.
There's a very limited extent to which the federal government is allowed to come in and tell state and local governments, hey, we're going to take your resources, right? We're going to sort of commandeer your facilities, your time, your money to carry out federal law.
We're kind of in new territory.
Mitchell Hamlin School of Law professor Ana Patratz Acosta calls the potential for criminal prosecution of state or local jurisdictions over civil immigration enforcement unprecedented.
This is definitely a new development that is sure to be challenged in the courts.
We are not saying we're not going to work with federal law enforcement. We are not saying we're going to stop them from doing their job.
Minneapolis police telling us Wednesday, in light of this new memo, their policy remains unchanged. In a statement saying, quote, the enforcement of civil immigration law falls exclusively within the authority of the federal government. MPD says it's unaware of any investigation or potential charges related to the Justice Department directive right now. In St. Paul, meanwhile, Mayor Melvin Carter says tonight, quote, we've never had a role in enforcing federal immigration laws nor asked for papers as a condition to receive city services, and we never will.